Hello everyone, hope you are doing absolutely fine. Today we will see how you can market your hospitality business and increase your business profit. The reason behind this video is to share some important knowledge and proven strategies that will multiply your business growth. This video is not for those who want instant formula or instant result and don't have the patience to watch this video till end. The information and strategies shared in this video have never been shared before for free, and the strategies in this video are those strategies which we are currently using for our existing clients. So the next question comes here is, who am I and why would you listen to me? So my name is Shashikant Kadukar. I am the founder and CEO at Microincha Private Limited. I have around 5 plus years of experience in digital marketing and business consultation. Microincha is all about the hospitality marketing solution. Till today, we have helped around 100 plus restaurants, cafes, resorts, QSR, bars, and hotels with online marketing and business consultation. We also help to plan their franchisee model to grow worldwide. Let me know in comment box below. Does this sounds like you as a business owner? You're done with a marketing strategy. You're done with a social media graphics without creativity. You're done with content on your profile without engagement. You're done with not getting proper results. You're done with not get visible in Google Map Business or a Google Maps. Or you're a business owner who not even started digital marketing. Before we dive deep into restaurant marketing, help in boosting your business, you need to understand what is restaurant marketing is. Marketing is an art of promoting your business to sell your goods and services, and restaurant marketing has no difference. Restaurant marketing includes marketing, research, advertising for your restaurant's progress. It is a process of getting consumers interested in your restaurant service. Marketing is crucial for fine-tuning how a restaurant sells its specialties to the consumers for prolonged success. Running a restaurant business is not an easy task. There are always unexpected bills to deal with, and this is where a good marketing strategy can help you to maintain a steady cash flow. Without marketing, how can you going to bring new customers? How will you retain old customers and make them more loyal to your brand? The income needs to come from somewhere, and marketing helps you do that. The restaurant industry is hungry for attention, and marketing helps you get that recognition. It is essential to let people know about your restaurant's existence, and nothing does that better than marketing. If people are not thinking about your restaurant, so it is up to you to let them know or remind them of your existence. Restaurant marketing is a great way to stop people from doing what they are doing and focus on what you have to offer. It will enable you to make a powerful impression and grab a lot of attention of the new as well as old customers. It will create a strong pipeline of customers to give you a sustainable business. Now let's see what are some reasons why it is important to invest in restaurant marketing. So first reason we'll see here is attract customers, attract new customers. So in restaurant marketing business, it is a people's business actually. So no matter how skilled your chefs are or how top notch your restaurant service is, without customers it is all a waste. Marketing helps in engaging customers by making them aware of your restaurant. It is essential to have people interacting with your brand, as this will help you yield more profit and encourage them as dine at your restaurant. The second one is engaging with existing customers. You need to engage with new customers. So many restaurant owners tend to give less importance to their loyal customers and are more keen to attract new customers. This is a practice that entrepreneurs shouldn't indulge in. Your repeated customers are likely to spend more when dining at your restaurant also. They also help a word about your restaurant. Through marketing, you can engage the existing customers and lure them to come dine with you often. So this is the second reason, and third reason is help build credibility. Brand credibility is often pointed out by marketing experts as one physiological factor that could trigger buying impulse for customers. As a business owner, you must try to change your perspective into that of the customers. People often like to visit restaurants they know and trust. For example, McDonald's. Your restaurant credibility gives you an advantage over your competitors. The marketing strategy you deploy help build your restaurant's reputation as well. So these are the reasons why to invest in restaurant marketing. So now we will see what are the categories to market your restaurant. So there is two categories we have right now here. One is offline marketing and second one is online marketing. So step by step, one by one, we'll see how it works and how you can market your restaurant with the help of offline and online marketing. First is offline marketing. So first factor in offline marketing is word of mouth marketing. This is the form of marketing that relies on casual social interaction. These marketing strategies has been placed even before the internet and widely known as most effective form of marketing. The success rate of word of mouth marketing is great because person is more likely to believe in a recommendation coming from person. The best way of getting people talking about you is by providing them the best food and top-notch service. Exceed your guest expectation and provide them with some insider information about the food that you are serving. Although these type of marketing, the restaurant owner do not have much control over this type of marketing, but what you can do is you can deliver the best restaurant experience to your guest and that would encourage them to talk about you. Second category is print media marketing. So in print media there is so many factors or so many resources are there like newspaper, magazine. So let's see step by step. So in newspaper, what we can do is you can advertise on a local, regional or a national paper. It all depend on your budget and the audience you wish to target. If you have just started your restaurant business, we will suggest you place your advertising in a local newspaper. This will help attract the local crowd to your restaurant as the chances of them visiting your restaurants are more. You can buy different ad space and also choose from type of ads like only text or only pictures or only classified etc you wish to publish. So second one is magazine. Magazines are content specific and a good way of reaching out to your desired customers. You can select a magazine which primarily talk about the food and beverages industry. These will help you reach the right audience. Similarly, like newspaper, you'll get an option of placing your ad in a magazine that publish weekly, monthly or quarterly. Third one is print advertising. So in print advertising there is again three different types. So it's like billboards and posters. Second one is taxis and bus advertisement. Third one is pamphlets. So let's see one by one. So if you talk about billboards and posters, an attractive billboards or a poster can help entice more customers. They work best when placed on a busy street or locality as it enables you to reach out to the customers on a move. Advertising through billboards and poster can be little expensive, but depending on where you wish to promote your ad. If placed strategically, then they will surely help you reach out more customers as a place is a primary key to ensure the success of advertising. Second one we'll see like taxis and buses advertising. Taxis and buses advertising are prevalent form of restaurant marketing used all over the world. The cost of advertising depend on number of taxis or buses used to advertise. If the vehicle is fully covered and if the vehicle transit between a busy route. This form of advertising is most loved because they help you reach significant number of people as a vehicle is mobile and keep roaming around in the entire city. Third one is pamphlet. Advertising through pamphlet is very common all over. You can hand out the brochure to people directly or you can team up with the newspaper company to distribute the pamphlet for you. Before you start distributing pamphlet, make sure to get the necessary permits required to distribute advertising pamphlet in your country. Advertising through television or a radio is also an effective way of reaching out to your customers. You can promote your restaurant on a local or a national scale depending on your requirements. If you have recently started a restaurant business, you can advertise in a local television or a radio network. This will help attract more customers from nearby locations. Almost every household have a television or a radio, so therefore It is an excellent way to advertise to reach out more peoples, as you serving the ad for everyone, which help increasing your reach and expand the customer base. Number 5 is marketing through SMS. Just like email marketing, SMS marketing is also a good way to promoting your restaurant. It has been around of some time now. SMS marketing has a high visibility and opening rate. It is the best way to reach out your customer in real time, as this kind of advertising is usually used to communicate time sensitive offer. You can send out SMS regarding new offers or deals at your restaurant. People now are more attached to their phone than ever, hence the chances of them interacting with the SMS you send automatically increases. You can also add links to your social media platforms or a website in the text. Although sending out SMS to promote your restaurant might sound appealing to you, but you have to have consent from your customers first. You can take feedback from them and ask them to provide their number along with a feedback form. This will mean that people are interested in receiving promotional SMS also. Make sure that you do not send out SMS during odd times like late night. So this is all about offline marketing. So let's see what about online marketing. So second category in this marketing is online marketing. So let's see how the online marketing works and what are the other platforms you can use in. After spending a huge amount of setting up your restaurant, you need a well-planned restaurant promotion ideas to make your restaurant known among your competitors as well, right? So newspaper, billboards, etc. do help you reach out many people, but the question here is, do they reach out with correct people? Online marketing will help you reach the right audience effectively and will help you to stand out among thousands of other restaurants. So some of the best online marketing strategies, online marketing medium you can use for effectively marketing your brands are like a video marketing, collaborating with social media influencer, marketing through email marketing, as well as building a website, paid ads, social media, organic search results. So these are some of the medium. We'll see step by step and one by one. So first one we'll discuss is building a website. So this is really important thing. Even before you start promoting your business online, you need an interactive website where people can read about you and your service. Having a site is very important, as your website will act as a landing page of your advertisement. The website should be responsive and mobile friendly, as people find it easier to look up information on their cell phones as well. You can use third-party websites like Wix or WordPress etc. that allows you to design website easily, or you can hire a web developer or a web designer and get job done. You can also post the menu online and provide the facility of ordering food from your website as well. If your process of ordering food is made simple for the people, they are more likely to place an order then and there, and increase the overall sales of a restaurant. When advertising through an offline media, you should take care of placement of your ad. Correct placement can help boom your business and make people notice your advertisement. These display or the text that you use for the advertisement should be eye-catchy. Second we'll see in online marketing is organic Google listing. Organic listing are the web listing that closely match the user search query. One can hire on an organic list. To show up on Google organic searches, your website need to have good quality score. That is, if content is relevant to the search query, how original the content on your site is, etc. There is so many factors of Google algorithms you need to study. Google itself decide organic listing and showing up their objective to what the customer is looking for. This listing only includes web pages that Google has crawled and deemed value for the search term. Promoting your business on Google is a great idea, as they will help you reach out more customers globally as well as locally. Also, there is one term, Google My Business is there. Another way of showing up on Google search is by creating a Google My Business profile on your restaurant. Google My Business is a free service that let you list your restaurant business and show them to people searching for you locally. It shows the address of your restaurant along with a map. This is a good way to reaching out local customers. Third one is paid Google ads. before organic search queries. Second one is a paid Google ads. So with billions of searches per day on Google, you can use Google ads to make sure your potential customers notice your restaurant brand. This service allows you to run paid ads on Google as a partner site. For creating a Google ad, it is mandatory to have a website or a brand page where a person will be directed when someone is clicking on the ad. Google Ads give you the freedom to decide the budget and the keywords for which you will like to show your ad. For also select a goal like driving traffic to your website or increase sales or lead. Selecting a goal will help Google shows your ad to appropriate people who are more likely to meet your goals. The ads created through Google Ads normally appear at the top of the search pages. This make them look like organic search. These ad work on a PPC model, that is, you can charge only when someone is clicking on your ads. It is one of the most effective way of showing up Google's top search results. A fourth one is a social media advertisement. So it is really important. If you're not advertising on social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, you are missing out on an opportunity to increase your sales. Social media is an excellent platform for building brand awareness. It allows you to share content that let your customers know about an upcoming event, offer, or special discount. This will ensure that your advertisement is reaching the correct audience and the money you are utilizing for advertising is not wasted on your ads are shown only to people you have targeted. With millions of people using social media, you can ignore the fact that this is one of the fastest and easiest way to reach out potential customers. So here are some best social media marketing tips for you guys. So first tip is content planning. Okay, so content planning is very important. It is essential to decide the kind of content you wish to post online. You can post engaging content like a recipe or preparing one of the mocktails you serve. Exciting content keep people coming back to your social media and also to your restaurant. So this is the one of the strategy or social media tips for you. Second one is regularity is very important. So it is very essential to update your social media profile regularly. This will ensure that people keep seeing your restaurant on their feeds. If you are irregular with your post, your customer might forget about you. Your aim is to be noticed and regularity helps you achieve that. Third one is originality. It is very important to be original. The post that you have shared online should be freshly curated. People like originality and appreciate something different. Posting original content is a good way to engage more people. So this is a third strategy or a tip. Fourth one is tracking your success. Posting on social media is not enough actually. You need to track and analyze if social media marketing is working good or not. This helps you understand if you need to invest more time on social media accounts for engaging more people. So these are some tips for using social media. Let's see fifth strategy or online marketing tip, that is marketing through email. The first and the most crucial step of email marketing is building your customer email database. So these can be done by taking feedbacks from your customers and asking them to provide you with their email addresses. A easy way to taking feedback and building your database is by using a feedback app that will help cut down the manual work. The email should be attractive, have images and appealing content. You can also add a call to actions button along with your email text if you require. A call to action button help you your customer interact with your email. You can use a CRM softwares to keep your customer updated through email. These software help schedule your emails and customize them and make it customer specific. This is a perfect way of reaching out people who have previously interacted with your restaurant and to keep them coming back. So this one is the fifth strategy. let's talk about sixth strategy. Six is marketing through restaurant listing sites. So you guys know what are the restaurant listing sites like Zomato, Uber Eats, Swiggy. So these are some of the restaurant listing sites. Restaurant review sites is called as a restaurant review sites as well. Restaurant listing review sites like Zomato, Uber Eats, Swiggy, etc. let you advertise your restaurant business on their website or app. So you can make use of these platform not only to list your restaurant but also to help boost your visibility on the collection in which your restaurant is already features. Let's see some of the reasons why you should consider advertising on restaurant listing sites are. So first reason is to improve your discoverability. By advertising on this website or app, you will see an increase in the average footfall and drive more revenue by boosting the visibility of your restaurant. So, and the second one is target local audience. It uses local based information like a GPS to show inline ads targeted at user in a certain geographical area, right? So these help you to reach out to the people nearby your restaurant's location who are more likely to visit your restaurant. Third one is track your performance. Advertising on this website is not enough. You need to track the ROI. This website give you access to comprehensive analytics tool to track the response of your campaign. With patrons becoming more conscious and more difficult to please, restaurants have to go extra mile to be heard and have to make sure that their ads strike a chord. This is now being done by providing relevant information to their customers. So let's discuss the seventh point. Seventh point is video marketing. So it is very important. Video marketing is really important for the restaurant marketing. So promoting your restaurant through video marketing might sound a little strange, but it is one of the best platform to interact with your customers. You can post videos of event at your restaurant on YouTube or other social media platforms that will help in giving some insight to the people who are looking forward to arranging an event at your restaurant. They can see for themselves what the restaurant look like during an event. You can also start posting interviews with your staff, customers, critics, etc. So collaborating with the famous YouTubers and asking them to visit your restaurant and make a video about it is also a good way to engaging the customers. Keep posting interesting short videos about the daily problems of running a restaurant. This will help people understand how much efforts you're putting in making space looks good and food the best. And the last strategy or the last point we are going to discuss over here is collaborating with social media influencers. Yes, so seeking help from social media influencer is an excellent way of reaching out of potential customers. You can collaborate with social media influencers and pay them to talk about your restaurants. Through this kind of marketing, you can choose a spokesperson to post about your restaurant on their social media profiles. You need to keep in mind that the person you are selecting to talk about your brand should be famous and have a charismatic personality, since the objective of this kind of marketing is to take advantage of their ability to influence others' decision. Using influencer for promoting your restaurant is very helpful, since people are more likely to visit a place that a person they love or admire recommends. Selecting the right influencer to promote your business is a good way of reaching out to people with similar interest. Online restaurant promotion is not about how much money you can spend, rather how creative you are. A robust online presence ensures more interaction with your brand. Online advertisements are the best way to reach out a desired customer, because you have the freedom to target the desired audience with increase the chances of people visiting your restaurant. Online marketing is a reliable and very effective tools to lure in more customers if used wisely. Here is some statistic or a budget allocation for social media marketing. a 30% share of marketing budget spent by cafes, 20% share of marketing budget spent by QSRs, 9% share of marketing budget spent by casual dining, 43% share of marketing budget spent by fine dine restaurant. So these are some statistic or a budget allocation for social media marketing only. The conclusion of all this discussion is, if you are serious about running your restaurant successfully, you need to plan out good marketing strategy that will help your restaurant grow. It is very important for the prolonged success of your restaurant. It might be intimidating at first to map out the marketing plan, but it is very manageable and can be inspiring to put together. It is vital to visualize your goal, identify your limitations, and capitalize to achieve the best marketing plan. Growing your restaurant business is a nurturing process that responds to the efforts put on the inside. Marketing help in making your brand familiar, as your brand consists of your concept, mission statement, and service standards. Always remember, the restaurant business is a service business. It is not all about the food. Therefore, it is essential to give your potential customer taste of it through marketing. Marketing is essential, but avoid giving away restaurants or just to attract few customers. Do not blindly follow what your competitors are doing. Come up with your own marketing plan that is accordance with your restaurant theme. Marketing is a reliable and efficient tool to lure in more customers if used wisely. So that's it for today. Let me know if you have any query. You can contact on these number, as well as start implementing these amazing content on your restaurant business. Share with your friends, family, and your partners as well. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.